Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to reverse a number. Okay, so first I will take a variable a equal to int input, and I will write here enter number here. Okay, and in next line I will take a while loop uh, while a is not equal to 0, and here I will take a large number. How to play with digits, how to take a large number by remainder of that remainder when we divide by 10. Okay, so ram equal to a modulus 10. This ram will give you the last digit of this number. Okay, and in next line I will write reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus ram, and here I will update a equal to a divided by 10. Okay, and I have to initialize reverse equal to 0 here, and in outside the loop I will write here print reverse of this number is comma rev. Okay, let's run the code. Let's we are taking the number 123, so the output should be 3 to 1. Let's take another numbers 897. The reverse should be 798. 798. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.